Blast off.
All right. So Dad, just a little quick update. Riverside, I think the Wi-Fi on your end is just a little bit slow, which is okay because luckily the way Riverside works is it actually is kind of like recording a video on your phone, but it'll upload it later. So I think what you'll have to do later is just open the Riverside app when you have better Wi-Fi, maybe in your living room, and it'll upload the video later.
Oh, all right.
So I think you're fine. I just think maybe later you'll have to just open up the app on your phone and just let it upload, but for now it's totally fine.
Oh, okay.
So
All right.
yeah, anyway.